To switch to a margin account on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the account settings. Tap on the icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Account Info. Scroll down to the Investments section and tap on Account Type. If you are eligible for a margin account, you will see the option to upgrade to a margin account. Tap on this option to initiate the upgrade process. Review the terms and conditions of the margin account, including the interest rates and fees associated with borrowing on margin. Once you have reviewed the terms, tap on the Agree button to confirm that you understand the risks and terms of the margin account. Robinhood will then review your account to determine if you are eligible for a margin account. If you are approved, your account will be upgraded to a margin account and you will be able to borrow money from Robinhood to purchase securities. Keep in mind that using a margin account involves risk, as you can lose more money than you deposit. It is essential to understand the risks and terms of a margin account before upgrading. Make sure to review Robinhood's margin account agreement and understand how margin calls work. A margin call occurs when the value of your securities falls below a certain level, requiring you to deposit more funds or sell some of your securities to cover the shortfall. To avoid margin calls, make sure to monitor your account regularly and maintain a sufficient balance. In conclusion, switching to a margin account on Robinhood can provide you with more purchasing power, but it also involves significant risks. Make sure to carefully review the terms and conditions and understand the risks before upgrading to a margin account.